Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
Hi everyone, welcome to Get Rebel Life TV. I greet you all. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to subscribe free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. This is where we promote Yoruba culture, traditions and religion, even African traditional religion, culture and traditions in general. There's a video that is currently trending. Is trending across different social media platforms, where a lawyer, a, a notable lawyer, appeared in court with his traditional religious attire. In fact, this is a plus to what we have been talking about on this channel, and is I call it a new dawn, and I call it a new Africa. For a lawyer, a well-learned person, to have deemed it fit to appear in his in his traditional religious attire, it means is a very clear indication, it's a good indication that that our African traditional religion will shine again. For the elites to be coming out, to be proud of what is ours. So it means it's a plus, and it's a very great hope for us that that African traditional religion will shine again. And this will serve as a way of encouragement to every one of us. For some of you who are here not proud of their culture, traditions, and religion, I will be showing the video to you in a moment. But before I show this video to you, this lawyer storms Supreme Court in Abuja in his traditional religious attire, and he was interviewed. The media personnel were present, and he was interviewed. And what he said is what I will be playing to you guys for you to hear from the horse's mouth. He shared the reason why he did so, and what he said is really what he said really makes my day. What he said made my day when I watched it. So, and I want you guys to watch along with me as I show you the video. Then I will come back to react to it. So let's watch the video.
I am Chief Malcolm Emokinyovo Omirobo.
So he was asked. What informed the dressing, and this is what he said. Let's watch that.
Nothing informed it. The truth of the matter is this. I'm a traditionalist, and I've been missing all along until the Supreme Court gave the judgment on Friday that people cannot appear in their religious attires of worship in their place of school and public school, for that matter. So in the circumstance, I just interpreted everything and said, yes, they have done the right thing by giving us, helping us, guaranteeing more our rights under Section 38 of the Constitution, that gives us, every Nigerian citizen, the freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. That we are free from that decision that female students can wear hijab because it is a mood of their worship, and any attempt to stop them from wearing it amounts to a violation of their fundamental right. And applying it, I said, okay, it's good. So I said, okay, I need to also be appearing on my religious attire of worship. So because it's good, it's good for man to be with God all the time. So this is my mood henceforth, and my children will go to school like this. I will encourage my relations, my friends, so that we can, those in the army, those in the police, those in the navy, those in doctors, lawyers, they will dress in their mood of this. I'm very grateful to the Supreme Court. I'm very happy about the decision. This thing has been going on for some time. In the case of the provost of Kwara State Polytechnic, Kwara State College of the provost of Kwara State College of Education versus Basirat, the court was very clear that the students should wear their hijab, the female students, and they should not be stopped or prevented, because to do so will amount to a violation of their right to freedom of religion, dignity to their person, and also discrimination. Just Friday here, the Supreme Court also gave a decision like that. So you see, the foundation for this is well spelled out. There are other cases. You have Abdul Karim versus Lagos State, where the court held similar decision. So if that can be done to female students to wear hijab, you can apply it to every other religion. Because to stop me from dressing like this will amount to a violation of my right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion, and also it will be a violation of. It will be discriminatory, and therefore unconstitutional. And that's why I felt confident of coming to the Supreme Court, and I came. I went there and I sat before my lords, and they were pleased with my appearance.
So guys, you've heard it all from him, and in fact, I'm proud of this lawyer. I'm proud of him, and he's a good ambassador of our traditional religion in Africa. I am a Yoruba man. I am proud of my own Yoruba religion. We call our Yoruba religion Ifa religion, and Igbo people have their own traditional religions as well. So in Africa, we have our diverse belief system, which every one of us should be proud of. This lawyer is proud of his traditional religion, and as well, he said that he will encourage his children to go to school wearing wearing traditional attire, their religious traditional attire to school, and he's encouraging every other professionals who are lovers of Isheshe to wear their traditional attire. In Nigeria now, we have Muslim, Christians, and as well we have traditional religions. So if a Muslim, or if Muslims, ladies, women are allowed to wear their hijab to school, to their to their offices and thereabouts, so the traditional religion followers should as well dress in their traditional attire, in their religious attire. So it is, is our right. It's our rights. We should be proud, and we should all encourage our brothers and sisters who are followers of Isheshe. We call ours as well Isheshe, and we do say Isheshe Lagba. So guys, this is what I want to share with you, and I think and I hope this has in one way or the other encouraged you, and I think this has as well made your day. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.